Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change header size word. Open the Word document to see the current header. After that, double-click on the header and select the text using the Ctrl+A keys. Now you can increase or decrease the size using the drop-down field in the Start menu. Additionally, you can increase or not the size of the header by clicking on the Increase Font Size or Decrease Font Size icons. You will see the change in the word header. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.